Maybe you ain't used to me, cause you was depressed and now you abusing.
So I'm not really sure, you guys, how this works. I have my camera sitting here, hanging from the dashboard. I'm filming upside down, so I don't know how this is gonna turn out on my like computer, but we gonna see. This is my first time vlogging while driving. I feel like I'm like violating right now. But yeah, so I'm heading to, where am I going? Wait, did I close my garage? Oh yeah, sometimes I forget to do that, you guys, and I have to go back and hit the button. So I'm going to Sally's real quick. I need to get some shampoo and conditioner for my natural hair. I'm gonna take my weave out. Probably tomorrow. I usually go back to my friend Erica who does my weaves. I usually go back to her and she takes it out for me. Just because I could do it, but I always end up cutting my natural hair because she doesn't do like a net. She sews the hair onto my braids. So I always have a hard time differentiating those strings, you know, like from my natural hair, and every now and then I'll cut my own hair by accident. So just to eliminate me doing that, I just go right back to her and she takes it out. So I'm gonna have to call her between today and tomorrow and ask her to take it out, because I want to take it out. Like, I'm just over it right now. I'm over weave at the moment. I've been really inspired by some of you naturals on social media. A lot of you guys are rocking your natural curls, and I've just been wanting to do that lately. So yeah, that's why this does well with bumps and everything. Wasn't sure how this was gonna work out, but it does okay. So yeah, you know, I just want to wear my natural hair. I've been wanting to wear it. Plus my hair is itching like crazy. It needs to be washed. So I don't know how I feel about this hanging from here. Like, it looks cool, but okay, this is a lot of bumps on this street. It looks cool. I'm not 100% sure if, you know, I'm feeling the hanging from my dashboard thing. I'm gonna have to take it down when I get out of the car, because the neighborhood I'm going to isn't the best neighborhood. So I don't want to just leave this nice ass camera hanging from it and then get it like broken into or something, you know. What the heck are these people doing? So yeah, that person definitely missed the entrance to the highway. They were definitely doing the wrong thing here. Yeah. So how do you guys feel about Cardi's new album? I have it on my phone. I was highly impressed. Like, I didn't doubt the girl in the sense where I knew she was going to do well, just based on the fact that I feel like the industry is missing that realness. You know what I mean? Like, nobody's real anymore. Everybody's starting to look the same. Everybody's so manufactured. So I felt like Cardi really has her own thing going on, and she really stays true to herself. So, you know, I was actually kind of excited to hear her new album. Alright, I'm going under a tunnel, so it's really dark. Cardi. I know the person next to me is probably like, is this girl filming herself? Yes. Yes, I am. I am filming myself.
Get me high like you do, yeah. Ooh, no, I'll never get over you until I find something new that get me high like you do. Listen to my heart go right, boot up, dee-dee-da-da, boot up.
Guys, so I'm a little annoyed because they didn't have the intense treatment mask that I get, and they usually get the shampoo. So I just got the Nourishing Leave-In conditioner. I'm going to have to go to Target. I think they carry this brand, which is True by Made Beautiful. It's my favorite brand of natural hair care products. It just works best on my natural hair. So I always use the leave-in conditioner, but I need a fresh bottle of shampoo, and I need a fresh container of the treatment max. So we're gonna go find that. I think they have it at Target, and they carry it at Dollar General now. I'm pretty sure I saw her or their brand post that online, so I'm gonna find that. But I'm a little annoyed because I was hoping to just get it all here. Different Sally's have different products, like, I mean, well, different, I guess, parts of their line. So, but what makes this so annoying is I just had to go a whole roundabout way because this crap was blocked off to get to this plaza. So now I have to figure out how to get back over to where I live. You know what? I'm just gonna call Sally's and see if they carry it and go to another Sally's. I'm gonna call another one in Cherry Hill. I'm not driving to like 9 different stores to see if I can find this. I'm gonna see who has it and go pick it up.
You don't need to call anymore. Don't fuck with you at all anymore. You don't need to stall anymore. We don't keep in touch anymore. Cause we ain't in love anymore. Used to be the one for you, baby. Used to be the one, baby. You've been switching up on me lately. You've been switching up, babe. All facts, so I'ma hit the club, all trap. Pull up in the lux, all black. Crush up this Bud Light, yeah.
Glasses on, you guys. Because I was going a little blind driving.
Take away the big shirts, the tattoos, the sweatpants and bangs. Okay, I don't wear no makeup, no purse in my hand. My resting bitch face is mistaken for the mean girl. But what if I told you there's nothing I want more in this world than somebody who loves me naked? Someone who never asks for love but knows how to take.
So you guys want to see something funny? That house on the corner right there, that was my house. I don't know if you guys remember this, but I was having a house built. So I don't think I ever talked about on camera what happened, but I ended up getting out of my contract because honestly, it just wasn't smart at that time in my life to buy a house. Even though I really wanted to buy a house, I was like kind of rushing it. And I had the money, everything was good, but the hard part was getting a mortgage on it, and which I think is kind of backwards, that they will build you the house, have you design it, do all that stuff, you put your money down, everything, and then try to approve you for a mortgage. And that was the part that didn't really make sense to me. I feel like it should be done the other way around, but I guess they do that just to secure the spot for the home. So I ended up getting out of my contract because I could not secure the right mortgage. You know, like there was different mortgage companies that we went through, but the situation wasn't right. You know, it just didn't feel right. And come to find out, you know, it just wasn't. And I mean, initially it just wasn't the right time for me to buy a home. So I ended up not getting the house, and I ended up getting out of my contract, which is very hard to do when you're buying a home. So yeah, you guys, basically it just wasn't the right situation, like, for me to buy that home. And what's crazy is I'm in a way better situation. I didn't even have to buy a home. It just so happened that my grandma, unfortunately, nothing bad, but she's in a home and I'm actually living in her house. So I have like this house all to myself, and I don't have to worry about a mortgage or anything, just utilities and stuff. So it just worked out. I was able to turn my old bedroom from when I was a little girl into a beauty room, and I didn't have to go through any of that crazy process of dealing with the brand new home and paying all this crazy money. So it did work out. Just goes to show you, do not rush God, because his plans are always better than ours. And that's basically what happened with me in that house situation, because a lot of you who followed me saw me like posting that I was building a house and doing all that, and you're probably like, what the heck happened? And it is a beautiful townhome on the inside. I figured a townhome was just like feasible for me because I'm one person, I don't have any kids, I'm not married, I didn't need this huge house. And I actually ended up with a bigger house than that actual townhome with way more rooms. So it just worked out, and I didn't even need all of that. I'm going to my third store. I don't know if you guys have noticed that I've been driving around for a minute. Dollar General didn't have anything of the sort from True, which is weird because they definitely posted, I'm pretty sure they said Dollar General. Maybe it's Family Dollar, I don't know, but I thought it was Dollar General because they carry Dollar General carries Shea Moisture, and they also carry some other curly hair brand, so I thought it was Dollar General, but I could be wrong. But I know, I'm almost positive that Target carries it as well, so we're gonna see if Target has it, because I mean nobody else has these two products that I need, and it's starting to irritate me because I've literally been driving around for like 45 minutes now looking for this freaking shampoo and conditioner. Really finding parking, I think, is like the hardest part. Okay, so I'm at Target. I am going to be right back, you guys. I'm not gonna take my camera in there because it's a lot just getting this camera on this thing, so I'm not even gonna be bothered. Wait, I think I missed my boyfriend. Just tried, oh, he called me at 1:45. Didn't even know. He video called me. So I'm really hungry. I might run in Salad Works and get myself a salad because I'm super, actually no, because the last time I had Salad Works I threw up and I had diarrhea. TMI, definitely TMI, but I was definitely not feeling well from the last time I had Salad Works, and probably because I've been on such a strict diet, so that's probably why it didn't work out. But I don't know. I'll be right back, you guys. Target didn't have it either, y'all, so now I'm annoyed because I can't find what I need, so I'm gonna have to order it online because Sally didn't have it, Target didn't have it, and what I'm looking for is the Intense Treatment Mask by them, which I have from Shea Moisture as well, so I'll just have to use that. But I needed that, and I needed the shampoo. I might have to call, I just don't feel like driving around. I'm just gonna have to order it. So I'm gonna have to go on their website and order it. I've never ordered on their website. Originally I was sent the products, but I'm not the type of person, like once a brand sends me something, I leave it at that. I don't ask them for more product. That's just not how I get down. Like if they send it, good. If they don't, I usually just go out and buy it. I like to support people. I'm not the type of person to you know, just ask for free stuff. So let me go, because people are probably looking at me like, what the heck is this girl doing filming? And yes, I drive with glasses on because I can't see, but I do not necessarily wear them all day, especially when I have makeup on and I'm filming. Okay, so I don't want to hit this Mercedes behind me. I absolutely want that Mercedes truck, you guys. Like, the car I really want. Okay, so we're off. I should go see my grandma. I haven't seen her since I got back from Cali. I've just been like in my filming bag. Like I've literally just been trying to catch up on filming because I haven't filmed in a while. So I haven't had a chance to get out and go see her, but I would like to go do that. Hey, what's up?
What are you doing?
Driving. Nobody had my shampoo. They're like, no one has it right now, which is so irritating. Hey guys, so I just got my Chick-fil-A and I'm gonna go home. I'm a little bummed that they didn't have my freaking shampoo, so I'll have to wait to take my hair out, unfortunately. Are you turning? Okay, cool. I really wanted a milkshake, but Chick-fil-A milkshakes just aren't like, I don't know. I feel like, because I only like chocolate milkshakes, first of all. And if it's not real chocolatey, I don't really want it. It has to be like super chocolatey. But you know who has really good chocolate milkshakes? Shake Shack. And they just put a Shake Shack in Jersey, in South Jersey. I don't know if they're anywhere else in Jersey, but in where I live, I live in South Jersey, like closer to Philly. I don't live in North Jersey. Because whenever you tell people you live in Jersey, like that aren't from here, they automatically assume you live in North Jersey. And I'm like, no, I live in South Jersey. I live close to Philly. It's like 2 separate states almost, because people from North Jersey talk different than us. They're more like New Yorkers, and we're more like Philadelphians almost, if that makes sense. Well, we're our own thing, but I just feel like North Jersey people and South Jersey people just are different, if that makes sense. So I mean, we're all from New Jersey, but I don't know. The best way to describe that is just how I said it. It's almost like we're split into 2 states. I mean, I spend a lot of time in New York City anyway because I do Dr. Oz here and there, but oh my gosh, these fries are really hot. I can't even touch them. So I don't really eat fast food too often, which you guys will also see a lot in my vlogs. I'm more of like a home cooked meal type of girl. But like obviously when I'm on vacation, like I was in California, I obviously ate out a lot. But in real life, I really eat at home. And I've been on such a strict diet that I haven't really like been eating bad. But in Cali, I gained 2 or 3 pounds back from the weight that I had lost because I went insane out there. I ate stuff I hadn't had in a very long time. So I rarely eat Chick-fil-A, but I was craving their fries. And my excuse is I'm on my period. TMI again. I was craving this and chocolate like all day. But I had chocolate milk earlier, so that gave me my chocolate fix. Alright guys, so I'm home. I am about to go in the house and edit this video, a makeup tutorial I did on this look. I'm gonna upload that. And you guys will see the makeup tutorial before you see this vlog for sure. And I don't know, that's really it. But if you guys like these little car ride sessions, let me know. I will continue to upload them. Maybe I'll do them like once a week. I don't want to promise every day because I rarely do this, like be my face and go places. I'm normally just in the house. But I've been trying to like push myself to get up and go out more. Just wanted to tell you guys that I love you and I appreciate all you guys do and the fact that y'all have just been rocking with me as long as y'all have. I'm trying to get my channel to 100,000 subscribers by the end of 2018 just because it's just a goal I set for myself, because I really just neglected my channel for a while this past year or two, and it's suffered because of it. So I've been trying to bump these videos out, get them out for y'all, and just post more. So if you guys like these videos, comment down below and I will continue to vlog my car rides with you guys. So thanks for watching guys. I love y'all and I'll talk to you in my next vlog. Bye.